Welcome to the PFD Performance YouTube channel. Pretty friggin' deadly.
Alright, well, you can't see him yet, but Danny's down there. We're birthing pistons. I got my midwife training, so everything is safe. Alright, ready to go. Yeah, I can see the head.
Should be there. Needs a little more?
Yeah, need a little more.
Okay.
Get the vacuum.
Suction?
Suction.
It's a girl.
Definitely a girl. Alright, well, yeah, we're just kind of after it. We got 4 of them out so far. Got to rotate the engine and get the other 4.
Where's the... Oh.
Yeah.
Hi.
They do piston things. Kind of dirty. But yeah, that's it. And we're being real responsible like and making sure we put all the stuff back together with what I came with. Because we're kind of new at this. I mean, I can't say I've ever like had pistons and rods out of my own engine before.
Yeah, I've never had an engine this far apart. Granted, I just showed up today.
So you guys remember, and so that I remember, this exhaust relief faces to the right when you're facing the engine. So it'll be the forward on the drinker side and to the rearward on the captain's side. And that was number 5. Not 6. That was number 6. Get your finger.
Cup for you.
Thank you.
Ouch! Oh, why is this one so stiff? Weird. Oh no, that's just...
Just a little bit more.
Yeah, I just need to switch.
Ooh. That one is not happy.
The bearing?
Yep. That one had something go through it.
The crank seems fine.
Okay. Might need to get some rod bearings.
I'm out of arm.
There it is.
Just watch this feel like the bearing line slipped.
Okay. Yeah, something went through that one.
Oh really?
Yep.
That was 2 or 1?
Uno.
Yeah, the crank doesn't have to appear.
So you guys can see something definitely went through that one. So I'll talk to our more knowledgeable friends and I'll maybe try and figure out
Want to see it? Whoa.
what makes the most sense, but probably throw some rod bearings in here because that's not great. Yeah, and it lines up. So just one piece of material went through.
Oh.
So maybe not a bad thing we dove into her. you go. Okay. Come to Papa.
That.
Bearing? Yep. It's octuplets. Who would have thought? Alright. Those are the holes where the pistons go. And there's no pistons. So you can see on this one, it's mostly vertical lines and very few crosshatch lines. But then, and it's like dark, like almost black.
It's smooth.
Real smooth. But then if you come here, it's shinier and you got all that cross hatching. Same with this one and same with that one. So I think, unfortunately, and for whatever reason, number 7 just got the brunt of the glazing, which is why it was like almost twice as bad on the leak down as the other cylinders. Here's our rotating assembly minus the crank. And yeah, this is the bad bearing. Focus. All the other ones, like there's some markings, but like nothing quite like that. So, and we did notice some material last oil change, and we weren't sure if that was from that rocker that got beat up. We're gonna dive into this, talk to some people that we know that know more than us, and see if we can't maybe get on track to get this thing put back together in the not too distant future. All right, like usual, ADHD, fully kicked in, poor planning, busy life. Now it's time to rush to get the engine out because someone else needs to use the old engine crane. Figured this shirt was fitting for what we're working on today, because this should end up with a party pulley at some time. Gonna have a helper pop out here pretty soon, but I'm just getting organized, set up, making sure the jack's all where it needs to be. But at this point, this thing should just release. We'll swing her over, bolt her on the engine stand. Should make sure I've got those bolts. All right, help has arrived. I think this should work, and that everything's disconnected. We'll find out. Things are happening. Do you want to just push up on the jack? Are you not wanting to go to your home for some reason? Oh. Okay, I think I see. I think we might need to go uppy. There we go. Release, please. A little more uppy. So I think what we're struggling with is these tiny little bits of metal here preventing us from being able to lift and pull forward. So we might just need to lift this a little bit more. Or we might need to, yeah, up a little bit. Oh.
Jesus.
Fire is hot.
Is the battery just
check the battery disconnect, please? Neat.
This is why I don't do car stuff. It stresses me out.
But ultimately, I think that should be
I think that
free.
just needs to. Just go down a bit.
Okay.
Up.
Yeah. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this back just a tickle, so we got a little more tension out this way. Okay, and lift. Just check the wires at the back there. Is anything hooked?
Should be free and clear.
It appears as such. Okay, keep going. Slight kerfuffle, but I think we should be able to manage if I just. It's a tight fit. It's a big block in a two chassis Opel. We might get enough flex if we do this. I mean, it's kind of nice going through this to see how it would need to come out if it needed to come out somewhere not in the garage for the first time. There we go. Okay, we'll get you to man the yak again. I don't think anything's pinch hooked. Verkackt. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to okay, lift. Yep. Oh, more helpers. Danger. This off. This off. Lower it down to a more reasonable height. Watch your toes. Hopefully the new hardware works. And we got a big block on an engine stand. No, I've officially run out of time. So that's gonna conclude this portion of the fun. Give these a quick. Are you done yet? Oh yeah. Are you done yet? Yeah. Are you done yet? Yeah. Are you done yet? Oh, for sure. We'll have to shorten those bolts rather substantially to make sure that they work what we want. But the engine's on the stand. Tidy up here. We can make this a little less way. Yes. That would be nice. You're home. Thank you. And then we can go over here. We can say we're doing stuff, okay? Doesn't always make sense. And slide you in. You go here. Yep, and then you can go. Come to Papa. Down. See, even the crane's excited. It's going woo. You heard it. Cheer us on. Oh, instructions. Well, it's true what they say. Cast iron big blocks are light. We're officially in the engine building station. Oh, come on. Go down. Yeah, the PFD engine building room right there. So the next steps will be flip her over, pull the main caps, check on the crank, disassemble the front, pull the camshaft out, check on the old cam bearings, and see how screwed we are. You'll catch that one on the next episode.